Hello everyone, I'm Kano from Wikipedia, and today I'll show you how to deal with a team rebrand where the team completely changes name. So differently when a team rebrands and they play under the same name, you just create a historical team template. The same sort of applies if the team would change their whole name, but it's a bit more complicated because you need to move pages and redirect a couple of more team templates to somewhere else. So I will quickly go over this. I have an example here of a team that has just announced their full rebrand, so let's get started. So we have our starting page. This team was called GHS Professional. They've announced a rebrand. So it's still the same organization, just a new look and a new name. And they have a new logo as well. So let's just start off first. The team now is called Unlimited. We are going to comments and I'm going to upload their logo as the first step. I'm going to make sure I pick the right file. I have not saved this one yet. So we can pick this one. We can pick this one, and now we have Unlimited. We make it all mode, and also add 2025 because this is the first year that this team is active. So it's clear that this is a rebrand. I will put the date to today as well, just so that future editors know if they need this, they can find the date back of when this change happened. So I'll upload this file. We have our logo for the new team. So now we're going to the team templates on the Apex wiki while this is uploading. And we're seeking GHS Professional. I'm just gonna check. This is the current team template. So what I generally do, so this is the original one, or the first logo. They don't have a historical team template, so it's a bit easier that we don't have to deal with this. But I'm just gonna name this one Orig. So GHS Professional Orig, create team templates. And I'll create the team GHS Professional Orig. So this is the original one. Meanwhile, our new logo has uploaded, so we can copy paste the file name here. And rename this. So I'm not sure if I have already found their short name. We'll just guess. And we will call this one Unlimited. And then we will go to historical suffix again at 2025. So create template, it will create team template Unlimited 2025. So that's the first step. Done. We have created our team templates as regular historical team templates. So now we go to the historical team template form. So first things first is we create the template that we should be using from now on, which is Unlimited. We will then, I just want to make sure I tap this correctly, GHS Professional, and then Orig. So we have the original team template that we just created. We select our date, which is today. Then we go Unlimited 2025. And just in case there's an Unlimited team template that I want to mess up, I'll press this. And then create the team templates, and our team template for Unlimited is created. So that's the other first step that is now done. And now we go back to the team templates overview, and you scroll down until you have redirect team templates. So now you need to take the GHS Professional, because that's still its own team template. If I search this up, it will still give me this team template. So we scroll back down, redirect team, we take the GHS Professional team template and we send it to Unlimited. So this means that the GHS Professional team template, now if you type in GHS Professional, it redirects to Unlimited and you get the Unlimited historical team template, which features the GHS Professional original template. So now we press override if already existing, because this already exists, and we redirect the team templates. So now this is done. GHS Professional redirects to Unlimited. So now every time I would say GHS Professional get details, it will say, well, it's a historical team template under a different name. So then I have to go to Unlimited here, to this, and it will give me Unlimited. So this is all correctly set up. Now is the next big step. This page needs to be moved. So that's relatively easy. I will quickly copy over a piece of code here. So first, I'll cut this. We'll first move the page. So now we move this page to Unlimited and leave a redirect behind. Make sure that is checked. This is obviously also for more advanced editors. Not everyone can do this, but we move this page. It's now in Unlimited. We can go here. I have forgot to add a licensing to my file. That's not good, but we can ignore this for now. So now one of the things that's happened, obviously the old results don't show. So what I would generally do is run a purge run. So I'll show you how to do that if you have the rights to do this, because it's, I think, reviewer only. But first we're going to the gallery, and we want to make sure that we have the logo template here, because this will also show the previous logos of this team. And this one automatically, based on like historical team templates, will give you the correct templates. So you see now it's original logo as GHS Professional. yada yada. I will quickly fix this. I forgot to enter the license. And then we just basically change the rest of the teams as formerly known as Jesus Professional. And make sure to the actual file here. Change the team name. And then here in the references you can write that the team rebranded and you can deal with the rest of the transfer. So that's that part done. The team, we've written out the rebrand. You can add more details about the rebrand, but what I now like to do is go to mass purge pages. This is for the reviewers only. We go to linking to and we type QGIS. I hate this lang word, but professional. You purge up and then track QGIS. So now it's purging all of the previous entries and it makes sure everything's back on the right page. So once this is like done purging, our results and transfers will all be back properly. If you can't run a purge run, I just suggest reaching out either in Discord or to an admin and be like, hey, I just did this rebrand, can you please purge all of the pages associated so that everything shows correctly. And that's it, you've successfully called in full rebrand of a team. Hope this helped and thank you for watching.